So this is my final monologue for my design thinking diary. So this is just my iterative approach, going through my evaluation to start, just how I'm going to carry it out throughout the process. So using the OECD rubrics, the analysis I did on the module challenge. My exploration includes the mood board. My need finding then is so, and then just at the end of each section, I've just included these checklists from the design thinking book just to see how I did, and just to kind of see what I needed to do then going forward in the process. So discovery, my initial ideas, same thing with the checklist, analysis of the brief, the requirements, the environmental and social issues. Into research then, looking at similar products, my environment, the interview, which is something that I looked at a lot, got most of the work from. Then looking at my material, so I got the life cycle for the pine door and the steel plate, which I sourced, and the life cycle can be seen there, and then just key points going forward. So with my investigation then, I was just picking out the necessary information, so about the user, about similar products, and about processing considerations in relation to sizes and things like that. Then on to create, so my developed ideas, the peer feedback. I also included a self-feedback session that I completed myself. Then just going through how I developed my ideas. So I was using critical reflection and the divergent and convergent thinking. So then with my experimenting, just use the model for all the experiments. So testing the rotating slots, getting the right handle size, the jointing method, and my evaluation for that. This is just how I refined the final idea then. So the SolidWorks in the middle shows the SolidWorks drawn for my refined design, and then the realize. So I made a model and I made the SolidWorks. So I found most of the problems when I was actually doing the model. So I just spoke about them here, and also just related in the SolidWorks model then. And for my creative craft, it was the use of the CNC machine. So this jigsaw jointing method had a very specific purpose. So it had to be easy to take apart, but yet sturdy then when in place. So the CNC machine was definitely needed for this, because the standard I had it done to in the model wasn't appropriate. It was too hard to take apart. So by using the CNC machine, it would just make it that bit more, I suppose, cared for and more precise, and it was needed. So the use of the CNC machine for this jointing method would definitely add value to the artifact, and it's just how I seen it as the creative craft and how I incorporated it. So then this is just how I would have gone about doing the CNC. So doing it up on SolidWorks, getting the DXF file, and then generating the G code using Meshcam. And you can just see on the bottom there, that is what it would have looked like when completed to the standard. And then just my evaluation for that. And I'm yet to do my final reflection.